Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to turn on or turn off firewall and network protection in Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open start menu and I just go to settings option. Once I go to settings option, there will be plenty of settings will be available in Windows 11 over here. So on your right hand side, you will find option called network and internet over here. As you see here, just hit the button network and internet and there will be a Wi-Fi, Ethernet, everything will be there. Just scroll down, you will get option called advanced network setting. Once I click advanced network settings option, there are plenty of advanced network settings option will be there. Just scroll down, you will have a Windows firewall. Once you hit the Windows firewall button, automatically it will move into the next pop-up window. So that is called for Windows security. As you see here, this is Windows security and firewall and network protection, so that you can switch on and switch off your firewall network. For example, if you want to control your internet from any types of malware on any type of spam is there, means you want to protect, means you need to switch on your firewalls. So domain network firewall is off and private network is turn on. So public network is off, everything is off. I just want to turn on, mean just hit the button turn on. Automatically it will ask you, do you want to allow the app to change? Yes. So once it's switched on, automatically the network domain will be tick, that is my firewall is switched on over here. So if I want to switch on the firewall private network option, just hit the button to switch on that. So automatically it will be switched on your things. And if you want to have a public network options also, you can switch on. So this kind of option you can turn on, means the network will be activated over here. As you see here, my firewall is protected, my laptop is protected from the internet. For example, any malware and any type of spam or any attacks or any bugs will be there, everything will be cleared by the firewall, will be protect all kind of things. If I want to switch off this one, so you can just click here to network option to disable this option. Yes, so now I switched off this one and just go to back, and I just want to switch off the private network. Just hit the button to switch off the private network option. And if I want to switch off a public network option also will be available. So this is a simple and easiest way you can turn on and turn off your network firewall and network protection. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel and protect your Windows with turn on your firewall. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.